Well, a storming start to the week on the local share market, but will it last? Earlier I spoke to Charlie Aitken from Bell Potter. Charlie Aitken, last week you predicted a great positive start to the week, and then that all went pear-shaped. We've had another powerful rally today, but nothing completely resolved in Europe.
Amazingly harsh question, Tiki. I thought you were my friend. Yes, last week started well and faded badly. Today we've started even better. And that is the question, what comes for the rest of the week? But we're actually above the levels we were last Monday. So the market is trying to do the inverted, do what they call climb the wall of worry. We will get a European solution this week. And you can see Wall Street's trying to anticipate it as well. So I think I might have been a week early last week, but I think this is the week.
Right, well, Australia gets its key inflation measure as well on Wednesday. How significant was today's gauge on wholesale prices?
Very, and one of the reasons the market had some fundamental strength today, the PPI number at 0.6 came in below analyst expectations at 0.8 for the quarter, bodes well for the CPI number on Wednesday, which everyone is watching in terms of interest rate expectations. If CPI on Wednesday for the quarter comes inside the RBA's target range, you will see rate cuts on Melbourne Cup Day and the 1st of December, and that is what the market was buying today, with retailers and banks doing very strongly on that hope today.
I see also another good news. Rio Tinto boss Tom Albanese was presenting, and what was the market impact from his very upbeat comments about iron ore demand?
Well, the market took it very well. It was nice to see an iron ore miner actually say something about iron ore. That's been missing in the debate in the last 3 weeks, where iron ore stocks have really fallen quite sharply. But Albanese, they are the world's biggest iron ore miner behind Vale of Brazil, and his word is considered, very good word. So the iron ore stock's really strong today, a lot of short covering. Rio itself up 5%, Fortescue up 8.5%, Jindalby 13%, even BHP up 3%. So widespread short covering on the back of Albanese's comments today.
And Origin Energy was one of the companies with its AGM today. How did the market react to its latest profit guidance?
Again, a positive reaction there. And this is a bit more fundamental, I think, Tiki. The company guided to 30% earnings growth or profit growth in the year ahead. That's pretty aggressive stuff. 30% growth in a market that really doesn't think there's much growth at all in anything at the moment. And Origin shares were rightly rewarded for that and probably keep going as the market gets more comfortable with that.
And the fuse has been lit under the share price of pharmaceutical company Farmaxis.
Well, we have to put this one in context, because Farmaxis shares were trading $3 in May before they ran into regulatory trouble in Europe in one of their products. The shares then fell to 60 cents, so collapsed dramatically. They've rebounded today to about $1.50, up 50% on the day, on news that the European Union is going to clear one of their drugs. So a huge rally today, but also a huge fall preceding it. So you never know, they might get back to $3.
Charlie Aitken, I'll check up on you next week. Thank you very much for talking to us.
I look forward to it, Tiki.